Hi guys, welcome to Explain Me How. In this video, I will show you how to turn off Twitter sensitive content settings. First, open your Twitter app. Then tap on Profile on the top left. From here, tap on Settings and Support. Now, go to Settings and Privacy. Go to Security and Account Access. From here, select Security. Once you're here, check your account settings and then go back to Settings. From here, tap on Privacy and Safety. Now select Content You See. From here, go to Explore Settings. Then go to Content You See. You'll see Display media that may contain sensitive content. After that, click to hide sensitive content. Tap to turn off that option. Thanks for watching the video. I hope it was useful. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe to get notified about new videos. We're dropping new videos every day to help all of you.